So hi, hello everyone. So we are came back something with long layer haircut for something different and pretty much new latest haircut for long layers and saving the lengths, and who want to apart from the length and up more layers. This is one of the best hair. So this is something like it will be multi-layer. It will be the first fringe section which is we separated, and we're just going to top with the horseshoe sections. Horseshoe section just we're going to be take with the left side, and this sectioning is very much important for representing for the haircut, for according to the taking to the section, angling, elevating, each and everything purpose. It will be sections are very much important for need. So another side we just came and just we picked the horseshoe section, same thing. So I hope you all are understand about the previous video, and most of the people are liked also. I'm just really happy to see them. I'm getting good support for all of you. I'm really thank you so much. So I'm pretty much excited and inspired you, all of you, from just recreating with the latest upcoming contents for very good for because of you. Watch till the end, you just understand about this video, about how it will be going to take into the overall to the layering techniques, and easy to understand in this video. So we just take into all the subsections we separated with that left side ear back and right side ear back also. We just came back to with the back portion just before we cut to the give a one length basic. See how easy to cut with after the section separating with overall, and pretty much convenience to be cut the hair however you want. So that is regards we need for a sectioning. So we just keep doing with one length haircut and just cross checking over all the same thing like one length. One length is it will be major role to be going to perform with the significant things, which is top of that it will be going to create a layers. So now again one length we just pick to the center profile section and just we're going to add the layers. Just over directing overall, and rest of the hair going to be chopped, and just nape area hair automatically, and rest of the hair going to be cut. So this is called something is most long layered haircut, and just over directing completely. One more section we just took, vertical section, and just same holding, strengthen, and just position will be same, rest of the hair going to be chopped. And last one more section we just picked and just traveling same way, and just the rest of the hair going to be cut. And we come to right side now. The rest of the hair adding to the layers. Last more section, just creating the layers until the guideline. Just keep traveling with the long hair. Now I found the guideline, rest of the hair going to be cut. So this haircut is slightly complicated because the long layers. For sure, this is haircut you have to be practice at least minimum time to be understand before give a haircut for long layers. And this is whoever expecting with apart from the length they wants to be layer, and ultimately this is suitable for them. Now we come to the side section, and just with adding with same layer and just taking to the towards to left to right with a direct over direction. In these techniques, it will be add unlimited layers and more layers, which is can carry forward very flexible and visible. Also, it's very neat and clean also. And now we come to the another side. Now we just take to the same stationary guideline from the back and just exactly elevating towards the over direction, opposite direction. So that's simple to understand the haircut when you just practice on the dummies or models for long haircut. We come to releasing with the RC crown sections one by one, and just be picking the guideline from the side part. The rest of the hair going to separate it. That guideline we just taking forward and just creating a layers. One more section we just picked and creating a layer top of that. So now we picked up with one more horseshoe section, just adding the layers with same way. Last section we are just going to be finished. And now we come to fringes. This haircut I'm just fringes I'm just sliding it because previously she done, just I'm slicing out rest of the hair to converting with a sliced layers. So that easy and simple also. Now my cut is got finished overall. Now I'm just going to be do the styling now. The box section we separated, the side ear to ear we are separating, and just creating with a spiral layer, spiral blow dry in this. Just pick the section one by one. And just doing with a straight blow dry first with completely overall the neat and clean finishing. Now we're just lifting towards to up. And just giving good finishing and just inverts blow dry completely. So the blow dry techniques also, it will be pretty easy to understand and just releasing purpose and just holding and just locking and unlocking also, you can see in this blow dry technique. In my section we can just pick and just doing the same techniques. The previous section we just locked and kept for our previous rollers help up through. Why? Because the strengthen up to the styling shine, it will be comes out well. Just be lifting opposite direction, over direction, and also it will be adding something from the bottom also to give a add good shine, and just flipping inside. Now we're just kind of taking inside completely and just rolling inside and locking it. And the previous section we just released and present one we just locked and kept for a separate. And we come to another side. Just we pick from the nape area one more section. Hitting the blow at top of that. Just styling, it will be most significant part which is can haircut representable and just layer expose well, and it will become sharp ends and finishing it out well, very well. Very much important for a creator blow dry techniques. See, now we locked and really kept for a side, and just with previous blow dry roller we released, and just going to be take one more section. Just give a nicely clean and shining straight look. On top of that, adding a blow. So when you can just practice, is that easy to do, and even understanding also. Now we just kept for that and released, and we came to side portion. Just using the same technique and just doing the blowing up. You can see that. So pretty much easy to do, understand, and also the traveling to the blow dry techniques, also overlifting and just volumeting, and just always be a flexible with when we do the blow dry also towards lift. How much you can just lift to the roller, that much it will volume, and root it will become so flexible, and hair it will be look so bouncier. So that easy to do, and even if you can just after the practice, it will be very good to understand and flexible to do for you guys. So release both the rollers. Now we come to another side. Just we picked up to the small section from the side. You can just doing the same blow dry. Now we come to the top portion. I will just blowing with all the sides. We're just lifting up them and just taking to the forward, and just adding more volume on the roots and bouncier way. Now we're just releasing the side. Now we just pick from the front one, and the fringe we just picked and just doing nicely blow dry on it. And now we're going to release. So my complete blow is done. I'm just releasing with over all the hair. You can just see the multiple movements and the layers, and you can just see. apart from the length also. I'm just lifting a little bit of blower and just releasing in the front way. Now you can just see ultimate movement on the hair, and it's looking so massive look, and the hair was looking so volume and bouncier blow. You can just see in that hair the movements, so that much shine and glossy finishing came on the hair in help up to the blow dry. So my suggestion for you guys to do the practice with any kind of haircut along with a blow dry. You can just see how much is shiny from the roots, and ends are it will be flip in and flip out nicely. That's a finishing you can just see after the styling changed. So hope you guys all understand and also like the video. Please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Enjoying the video. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care, be safe.